Alright, so I did a little modification to this thing here, the strut tower brace. I'm going to start putting that in. That's to clear my AC stuff, and once I get it cleared, I'll put a plate in here, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. But like I said, it goes from here to over here, and that's what this little bracket here that came with the kit is for. It goes inside here, and the bolts go through there. You know, this plate. And anyways, so it goes from here to here, back over there. And obviously you can see my AC dryer is in the way for the top of that K-member, so, or the strut tower brace. It goes a little like that. And over here I'll just make a plate and weld to the top of this, and it clears this. Then I'll do the same thing over here so it looks the same.